Oh, oh, yeah. My birthday gift. It's the real grave digger. Yeah. Oh, there it is. It's coming. Woo-wee. Woo. It smells good. What do we got over here? Transmitter. Spectrum, of course. 4 AA batteries. It's a DX3. Some goodies. Batteries included. That's the first. So we're going to need this. The other ones is for later on. Bad to the bone. For the most satisfying sound. I always wanted one like that. See? I got this one, I think about 20 years ago. When it first came out. More than 20 years ago, I think. I still got it. Now he has a brother. A bigger one. There's these tiny clips where you can get the body off. It goes like this. Those clips, you're going to lose them because they're open, like they're not good. You have to find something else for that, but that's for later stadium. This is how it looks on the inside. It can go to 3S, but there were people that were doing it on 4S, so I think it can work on 4S. We're going to try it, of course. So this is for the lights. I'm going to show you here. This is for the lights. You can plug it in over here. The lights are working lights. There are 2 versions, version 1 and version 2, of course. What's the big difference? Is on the axles. And on the axle you can see there are 2 screws here. It's one over there and one over there. You can see. And on version 1 there's only one over there, not over here. So this one flexes. So that's the biggest difference that I know of. The first thing you need to do when you buy this truck, and these screws, you're gonna lose those screws. So thread them out, put some Loctite on there, and then they will be fine. You're going to break them. These, of course, the sway bars, you're going to break them, but there's an easy replacement. You have those 2mm hexes. You get them in all the RTR versions and stuff. You can put them in there. That's a good fit. And you can cut it off there and then put it in there. They are sturdy. These are going to break eventually. I'm going to let the standard servo on there until it bugs out. If it bugs out, I'm going to replace it. And of course the hinge pins, they fall out. I 3D printed something. You can find it on Thingiverse. I can't remember the name from who designed it, but I'll put it in the description down below. I printed it and it sits good, so the hinge pins are going to stay in there. You can see it with the clearance with the wheels. Everything's okay here, so that's good. I also did a little bit of fuel line over here. Why is that? Because if you see, if you crash hard, if you land hard, you're gonna cut the wires from your lights with it, It's now a little difficult to get it in, but it's maybe I gonna cut it over here. I don't know yet, but that's just a tip I want to give. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a drywall treatment on my lid, because I don't want it to get busted. I want it to keep clean, so that's what I'm going to do now, and then drive it afterwards. So about the Gravedigger, my initial thoughts: it's a very funny car. It drives real good. I did the drywall tape on my lid, but it cracked already over here and over here. So you have to do a lot of Shugu or Paltex on there, a lot, because otherwise it cracks. You see, it lands a lot on, it comes on the nose. If you do a moonwalk or something like that, it scratches it all up. So what did I do also? I put some tape over,
This is fuel line, nitro fuel line for to protect the wires over here. And I could use some Sugru on the lights so that they don't snap off. Yes, I made some braces. I made them. And what did I do or didn't do? I put the original screws back in there, and because I didn't have any longer, and one popped out because they weren't long enough, so so I have to already order a new axle. So that's in the mail in the meantime, so I have to put other screws in there. No, I don't want to put a year race a Vitavon on there because I think it's rather expensive. You have also from year racing or Trial, I don't know, Trial. They're also expensive. I bought 2 axles now, so one is in reserve. But it's a funny car. I like it a lot. It drives like a real monster truck. It jumps up and down, you know. But you saw it in a video, a short video, but you saw it. So I hope my axle arrives very soon, so I can repair it and have some more fun with it. So thank you for watching the videos, and consider subscribing, and then we'll see you again. We'll see each other again. Okay, see you later. Bye.